Like setting up camp is step 1, and then cracking a brew is step 2.
Oh.
For his
I'll
camp.
crack a drink, I just don't really want the beer.
That's okay. Oh, I guess we were on rattly roads. Forgot about that. For Steve Wallace. Hello. Justin and I are camping this weekend, and we're in this beautiful forest road in Campbell River area, and we're gonna keep going and explore and see if we can find a great camping spot. Oh yeah, no, not over there.
Even behind is good because you see the elevation.
We're taking a quick scenery break. Look at this place. We're on a dam? Some kind of dam? Nectarine. Oh, yep. Hey, now that we're finally sitting down, relaxed, got the fire going, got some food cooking. Justin and I are on an impromptu camping trip. We knew that in my town, there'd be no camping whatsoever. It was totally blocked up. So we drove north to Campbell River. And now we're just outside of Campbell River. And there's other people here, which is unsurprising, but kind of surprising because it's really, really, really off the beaten path. Some people here is not a big deal. Anyway, we're just gonna hang out. We've been driving all day. We're relaxing now.
$18 per party.
Yeah.
But it also says only one car in a party.
Okay.
But
later. Quick check-in. We're gonna make burgers, and we're gonna seal them with the pie iron, my favorite cooking utensil for the woods. Got our buns. We're gonna pre-cook the burgers so they cook, so they're, you know, cooked already when we put them in. And then we got some nice cooking coals, sort of, kind of. It's kind of pitiful, our fire, but that's fine. And then that's kind of the deal. I have some cheese and some ketchup, not much other condiments. Okay, check this out. This is my burger with some hot sauce and ketchup. It's about 8:30, 9 p.m. We're just having our supper now. I'm going to test this pie iron burger. Oh, it's so hot. And Justin's attacking the tree with a machete. Camping's great. I'm just waiting for this to cool down before I... Burger, crusty, cheesy. Whoa, hot, good sauce? Yeah, not bad.
Tomorrow.
Justin is making oatmeal, and I'm gonna fast track myself to the bathroom. It's all good. It's all good.
oatmeal's made.
Anyway, so I'm gonna eat this lamb and vegetable stew. You'll notice it was already opened. It's because my friend told me that there was a recall on the dessert, so they had to take that portion out of it. But the rest should be okay. So let's take a look and see what we got inside. Espresso. For you? A coffee crisp? Tortillas? Wait, what? Okay, we have chocolate protein drink, And these very hard tortillas. Peanut butter again. This is lemon powder drink. Yes, more hot sauce. Raspberry jam, cutlery, serviette, and sugar. Coffee whitener, and Tic Tacs. Isn't that awesome? It's like 4. So this is the lamb and vegetable stew. All right, let's see this lamb stew, people. This is my breakfast. We'll have something tastier for dinner. Not more luxurious, but probably tastier. Okay, that smells good. It smells like chunky soup. That is a stew. Oh, there's like actual chunks of meat. Okay, let's try a bite first. These like good for dipping or something. Look at that, just like a straight up tortilla shell. Not bad. Stew and tortilla, I guess. Probably like really well. All right. Okay.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna be fine.
So I got a USB solar panel. And I'm gonna try using it today. This is Big Blue 28 watt solar charger. And it's got 3 USB ins. Oh, we got a light, which means it's collecting sun power.
May I use a paper towel light?
Of course. Okay, so we got the panel out, got this charger out. We're gonna charge this, the drone. Then that's all we need to charge right now. Let's see how the sun does. Okay, slight adjustment. That one should go higher too, the part on the tree. And you're on the ground again.
Maybe if I disperse my weight.
Yeah. I think you're still on the ground. Give it a little bounce. Nice. You're hanging. Okay, you're floating. You're in the air. There's no way. Did he land on the ground? Yeah, that's true. Okay. Oh, dude, that just released. Something released up there.
I know.
I think you're good. Whatever released did what it needed to.
Yeah. It was that one part where I was like, oh, that looks good, right?
Yes, it was exactly that.
Oh. I'm in a hammy.
Here we go. You're good, you're floating. There's a lot of clearance on your bum.
I feel it. My cheeks.
Yeah,
You
this
know
is
what
it.
they say. Kakuna Matata.
That's pretty close.
Oh.
That was so. Ooh.
Nope.
Dude. Oh.
Stay.
Oh.
Do what?
What? Ah. I was trying to take it away.
Take it with you, right?
4-2. That's the one.